May I seek your lordship kind permission for commencement of the proceedings?
Dais, family members of Justice G.T. Nanavati and Justice N.K. Sodhi, Mr. Prabhuling Nawatgi, Learned Advocate General, Mr. M.B. Nargund, Additional Solicitor General of India, Additional Advocate General, State Public Prosecutors and other government advocates, Shri Shanti Bhushan H., Assistant Solicitor General of India and other central government advocates, Shri Motakapalli Kashinath, Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council and other members of the State Bar Council, Shri Vivek Subba Reddy, President, Shri T.G. Ravi, General Secretary and other office bearers of Advocates Association, Bengaluru, Learned Registrar General, registrars and other officers of the Registry of High Court, learned judicial officers, learned senior advocates, and other learned members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. We have assembled here today to condole the sad demise of two of our former Chief Justices of this court, Honorable Justice Girish Thakurlal Nanavati, former Chief Justice of this High Court and former Judge Supreme Court of India, who breathed his last on 18th of December 2021 at the age of 86 years, and Honorable Justice Navdeep Kumar Sodhi, former Chief Justice of this court, who breathed his last on 28th of December 2021 at the age of 78 years. Justice G.T. Nanavati was born on 17th of February 1935 in Jambusar town, Bharucha district, Gujarat, to Shri Thakulal Nanavati and Srimati Padma Sen Nanavati. His father was a renowned lawyer. Justice Nanavati did BA in Economics and Political Science in 1954 from St. Xavier's College, Bombay, and obtained LLB degree in 1956 from Government Law College, Bombay. He passed her Bar Council examination in 1957. He secured LLM degree in 1959 with flying colors and also secured MA degree. Justice G.T. Nanavati enrolled as an advocate in Bombay High Court on 11th of February 1958 and later shifted his practice to Ahmedabad. He was appointed as government leader in High Court of Gujarat in 1964. He was elevated as Judge of High Court of Gujarat on 19th July 1979. 14 years later, he was transferred to Orissa High Court, and on 31st of January 1994, he was elevated as Chief Justice of Orissa High Court. On 28th of September 1994, Justice G.T. Nanavati was transferred to the High Court of Karnataka and served as Chief Justice of Karnataka till his elevation to the Apex Court in March 1995. Justice G.T. Nanavati was an outstanding judge with an excellent grasping power and sharp memory. As a judge of this court, he rendered many landmark judgments. On the administrative side, he took several innovative steps to improve the administration. Though Justice Nanavati retired as a judge of the Apex Court on 16/2/2000, retirement did not stop him from serving the society. On 8th of May 2000, he was appointed by the central government to probe the alleged excesses and lapses committed by the law enforcing agencies in connection with 1984 anti-Sikh riots. On 21st of May 2002, the government of Gujarat appointed him as the chairman of the two-member commission to inquire into the alleged lapses of the police and the administration in dealing with the communal riots which took place in Godhra. He was also impaneled as an administrator, as an arbitrator in the High Court Arbitration and Conciliation Center, Bengaluru. Justice G.T. Nanavati leaves behind his wife, Srimati Vanmala Nanavati, two sons, Mr. Dhaval Nanavati and Maulik Nanavati, daughter-in-law Srimati Sajni Maulik Nanavati, and grandson Master Arav Maulik Nanavati. The demise of Justice G.T. Nanavati is a great loss to the judiciary in particular and to the legal fraternity in general. On behalf of my brother and sister judges and on my own behalf, as also on behalf of the entire legal fraternity, I convey heartfelt condolence to the members of the bereaved family and pray to the Almighty to bestow upon them courage and fortitude to bear the loss. The Registrar General is directed to convey our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family. May the departed soul of Justice G.T. Nanavati rest in eternal peace. Justice N.K.Sodhi was born on 29th November 1943 in Lahore. He was educated at St. Edward's School, Shimla, and obtained law degree from the Law College, Punjab at Chandigarh in 1966. He enrolled as an advocate in the year 1967 and commenced his law practice in civil, constitutional, labor, tax, transport, and corporate laws in Chandigarh. He also worked as a visiting lecturer at Punjab University from 1969 to 1983 and was the editor of Indian Law Reports, Punjab and Haryana series for over a decade. He was designated as a senior advocate in the High Court of Punjab and Haryana in 1985. Justice N.K.Sodhi was elevated as a judge in the High Court of Punjab and Haryana in 1991. In the year 2003, he was transferred to Kerala High Court as a senior judge, and on April 5, 2004, he was sworn in as Chief Justice of Kerala High Court. On November 19, 2004, he was transferred to this High Court and served as the Chief Justice till his retirement on 28th of November 2005. Justice N.K.Sodhi was an able administrator and was known for his punctuality and effective court management. His motto in life was work, work, and work. In his reply speech delivered on 28th of November 2005 in this very court hall, in reply to the farewell address, he has said, and I quote, "I for one have worked because of my commitment to the cause of justice and excellence. Work for me has its own satisfaction and its own reward. I have never expected any thanks or gratitude from any quarter for my bounden duties. For me, work is worship, and I have followed the path of karma yoga and nishkam yoga karma as enunciated in the Bhagavad Gita." Unquote. Justice N.K.Sodhi had great respect and affection for the members of the bar. Even after his elevation to the bench, he considered himself equally as a member of the bar as well as member of the bench. He always believed that a judge is merely a lawyer who has benched. He members, especially infrastructure to the courts, and was instrumental in laying the foundation stone for both Dharwad and Kalburgi circuit benches. Even after his retirement, he continued to work and learn with the same enthusiasm he enjoyed during the work that was assigned to him. Immediately after his retirement, he was appointed as the presiding officer of Securities Appellate Tribunal, Mumbai, for 6 years. In the year 2011, he took interest in arbitration and got actively involved in arbitration. He was appointed as an arbitrator by the High Courts of Bombay, Karnataka, Madras, Punjab, and Haryana. The Honorable Apex Court had also appointed him as an arbitrator of a three-member tribunal. In 2013 January, he was appointed as chairman of a high-powered committee set up to revise the Securities and Exchange Board in India, Prohibition of Insider Trading Regulations 1992, and also the chairman of the takeover panel of experts to make recommendations to the SEBI on applications seeking exemption from making an open offer under those regulations. The demise of Justice N.K. Sodhi is a loss not only to the members of his family, but also to the judiciary and the entire legal fraternity. Justice N.K. Sodhi is survived by his wife, Neelam Sodhi, daughter Gayatri Sodhi, and grandson Siddharth. On behalf of my brother and sister judges and on my own behalf, as also on behalf of the entire legal fraternity, I convey heartfelt condolence to the members of the bereaved family and pray to the Almighty to bestow upon them courage and fortitude to bear the loss. The Registrar General is directed to convey our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family. May the departed soul of Justice N.K. Sodhi rest in eternal peace.
Learned registrar and user officers, family members of the Honorable Shri Justice G.T. Nanavati and Honorable Justice N.K. Sodhi, learned members of the legal fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have accepted here to mourn the sad demise of Honorable Shri Justice G.T. Nanavati, former Judge of Supreme Court of India and former Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka, who passed away on 18th December 2021. And Honorable Shri Justice N.K. Sodhi, former Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka, who passed away on 20th December 2021. On behalf of the legal fraternity of the state and personally, I would like to express sincere homage to the departed souls. Honorable Justice G.T. Nanavati was born on 17th February 1955 in Bharuch, Gujarat state, in the family of advocates. He had his education in Bombay. He obtained the law degree from the Government Law College of Bombay in the year 1956. He passed the Bar Council examination in the year 1957. He obtained a MA degree in economics and political science. He enrolled as an advocate on 11th February 1958 in Bombay High Court. He obtained a LLM degree from Government Law College, Bombay. He practiced in civil, criminal, and other branches of law. After bifurcation of the state of Bombay into the state of Maharashtra and Gujarat, he shifted his practice to Ahmedabad. He served as a part-time lecturer in law for 2 years. He was appointed as the assistant government leader. He was elevated as the Judge of High Court of Gujarat on 19 July 1979 and was appointed as the acting Chief Justice of Odisha High Court on 14 February 1993 and Chief Justice of Odisha High Court on 31st January 1994. He was transferred as the Chief Justice of Karnataka on 20th September 1994. Within a span of 5 months, he was elevated as the Judge of Supreme Court of India on 4th March 1995. Honorable Justice N.K.Sodhi was born on 29th November 1943 in Lahore. He obtained a law degree from Punjab University at Chandigarh in the year 1966. He enrolled as an advocate on 29th March 1967 and practiced in civil, criminal, and other branches of law in High Court of Punjab and Haryana. He served as a lecturer at Punjab University and also served as the editor of Hindu Law Report. He was designated as a senior advocate in the High Court of Punjab and Haryana in the year 1985. He was appointed as the Judge of the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana on 15th March 1991. During his tenure, he was known as fearless and honest judge loved by one and all. He served as chairman of State Legal Service Authority and set up the first Parliament Loka Adat at Chandigarh. He was elevated as the Chief Justice in November 2003 and transferred to Kerala High Court as the Chief Justice. Later he was transferred and appointed as the Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka on 19th November 2004. He was known as discipline and good administration. There was significant improvement in the High Court as well as in the subordinate courts during his tenure. He rendered remarkable judgments. He was a great human being and would respond immediately on hearing the problems of advocates. Advocates and the litigants of North Karnataka, you all remember him. He was one who led the foundation stone with golden hands for both Dharwad and Kalburgi High Court benches. He reminded of two honorable judges in great loss to the entire legal fraternity. As we have great legal luminaries and honest human beings. Their contribution are fresh in our memory. It will not possible for me to lessen the grief of the bereaved family, but we share the grief with the family members. I, on my behalf of and on behalf of the legal fraternity, share the grief and sense of loss of members of their family and friends. I offer deepest condolence to the bereaved family. I pray Almighty God to bestow the subsidy to the departed souls. May Almighty give strength and courage to bear the great loss. Namaskar.
Now, as a mark of respect for the departed soul, we shall now observe silence for 2 minutes.
directed by the Honorable Chief Justice in the courts at Principal Bench and Benches Section, Dharwad and Kalburgi, the Lordship for the rest of the day. I seek your Lordship kind permission for conclusion of the proceedings.
Yes.